Chapter 11. Water, Air and Weather. Water, Air and Weather. Water. All living things need water to stay alive. Water covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface. Water is a wonderful substance. It is the only substance that exists in all the three states: solids, liquid and gas. We obtain water from many sources like rivers, lakes, streams, ice caps and seas. But rain is the only source of water for all of these sources. So, the primary source of water is rain. Rainwater seeps into the earth in some cases. We refer to this as underground water. The level of underground water is called the water table. Water table could be high or low according to the season. It is low in the summer because water evaporation is higher. Water gathers just below the soil during the rainy season, and evaporation is reduced. As a result, the water table rises during the rainy season. Water pollution. Water pollution is the act of contaminating water with unwanted substances. Water has a unique property of dissolving many substances. That is why it is also called a universal solvent. Because of this property, water is used for cleaning and washing many things. Water becomes dirty when something is cleaned or washed. When dirty water enters a river, pond or lake, it contaminates the water there. This dirty water is called polluted water. There are many sources of water pollution. People wash their clothes and bathe animals. People dispose waste in the water bodies. Factories discharge a huge amount of wastes into water bodies. Fertilizers and pesticides used by the farmers get washed into the water bodies by rain. Removing impurities from water. In water, many substances do not dissolve. These substances are referred to as insoluble. The usual insoluble impurities are sand, clay, and organic matter. Insoluble impurities can be removed by the following methods: sedimentation, decantation, filtration. Sedimentation, the process of settling down heavy insoluble impurities, is called sedimentation. The substances that settle down at the bottom are called sediments. Activity. Take some muddy water in a beaker. Leave it undisturbed for some time. You will see that above the mud is the clear water. This process is termed as sedimentation. Decantation, the process of separating clear water from the sediment, is called decantation. The clear water on the top is called decant. Activity. In the above activity, when all the mud settles down at the bottom, pour the clear water into. Decantation is a technique for separating clear water. Filtration, the process of separating insoluble impurities from water using a filter, is called filtration. Activity. Make a small hole at the base of an earthen pot. Add a layer of gravel pieces inside the pot. Then add a layer of a clean sand above the gravel. Now pour some dirty water into the pot. The water starts trickling through the hole drop by drop. Use a clean container to collect this water. This water seems to be clean. Filtration is the name given to this method of removing impurities. Even though filtered water appears clean, it still might be contaminated with invisible germs. Therefore, it is unsafe to drink this water. Potable water. Potable water is the water which is filtered and treated properly and is finally free from all contaminants and harmful bacteria. The purified water which is fit to drink is called drinking water. After the purification processes, it is safe for both cooking and drinking. There are certain steps that can be used to disinfect water and make it fit for consumption. The simplest way to make water safe for drinking is boiling. Boiling water for at least 15 minutes kills the germs in it. Adding chlorine to dirty water kills germs in it. The process of adding chlorine is called chlorination. These days, chlorine tablets are easily available. Bleaching powder is also used to kill germs present in water. To remove impurities from unfiltered water, reverse osmosis systems and water filters are also available in the market. Air and weather. Air is all around us. It is a mixture of many gases. Our Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. It protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. Weather is the condition of the air at a particular time, based on how hot or cold, dry or rainy, and calm or windy a place is. The heat of the sun causes winds to blow and also causes changes in the state of water. Changes in the condition of air and water around an area cause changes in weather. When the air gets heated up due to the sun, it becomes lighter. The light air rises up. The cool air that is heavier takes its place. This movement of air causes winds. The sun also changes the state of water in nature and causes humidity and rain. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. Water vapor rises up and condenses into tiny droplets of water which in turn form clouds. When these water droplets become too heavy to remain in the air or clouds, it rains. Water droplets fall as snow in very cold places where the air temperature. Land and sea breeze. During the day, the land gets heated up by the heat of the sun. The hot air above the land rises and the cool breeze from the seas takes its place. So, the wind blows from the sea towards the land. This is known as sea breeze. At night, the land cools down faster than the sea. The air above the sea water is warmer than the air above the land. Warm air rises and cool air from the land rushes towards the sea. This is known as land breeze. Synopsis. Water covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface. Rain is the primary source of water on the Earth. The water table is low in the summer because water evaporation is higher. Water has a unique property of dissolving many substances. That is why it is also called a universal solvent. Insoluble impurities can be removed by sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Potable water is the water which is filtered and treated properly and is finally free from all contaminants and harmful bacteria. Weather is the condition of the air at a particular time, based on how hot or cold, dry or rainy, and calm or windy a place is. We can see land breeze at night and a sea breeze during the day.